Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an InfiRay Rico Thermal Scope and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for basically one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your scope is not working or if it seems to be glitching or bugging or giving you incorrect readings, very often a hard reset will just clear out whatever problems. It will have it recalibrate and it will get it working again. The other reason you might want to do this is if you bought this used, or maybe if you're selling it, or maybe if you just have a whole bunch of settings on it that you're having trouble getting them sorted out, and you just want to get a fresh start like this was when it came out of the box. It's quite easy to do. We can do that right now. All we need to do is enter the settings menu. Right here, we're going to hit the M to confirm and go into general settings. And then we can just use the arrows to toggle down to the factory reset. Click the M to select that factory reset. Then it will come up with a yes and a no to confirm. You'll just toggle to the yes, hit the M again, and all of the settings will be reset to their factory default out of the box setting.